If you have a battery backup, there are some slight differences in the terminal labels. Check out the end of this video for a brief explanation. Begin by connecting the power supply box to your power source. Connect the red wire from the magnet to the NC positive terminal on the power supply. Then connect the black wire from the magnet to the common terminal on the power supply. Open the bottom of the keypad casing with a Phillips screwdriver. Connect the wiring harness to the terminal on the back of the keypad and make sure the harness is inserted all the way. It may require some force. Replace the back of the keypad casing and secure with the screw. Now, connect the red wire from the keypad to the 12-volt terminal on the power supply. The blue wire connects to the push terminal. Next, you will wire one of the terminals on the push button and connect it with the black and purple wires from the keypad to the ground on the power supply. Now take the yellow wire from the keypad and connect it to the remaining terminal on the push button. The orange, green, and white wires aren't used. Cap them with a wire nut. Turn on your power source and the magnet should lock automatically. Now test the push button to make sure it works. The magnet should re-engage after 6 seconds. Now we will program the keypad. First, we will customize the admin code, and then we will program a user code to unlock the door. To start, the light at the top should be solid red. Press star and the red light will flash. The factory set admin code is 999999, then hit pound. After that, hit 0. The red and green lights will both turn solid. Now you're ready to enter a new admin code, which is 6 to 8 digits long. Enter your new admin code and press pound. Then re-enter the code and press pound again. The keypad will flash green and then return to just a flashing red light. You now have a new admin code. Now we can add user codes to unlock the door. Still in admin mode, press 1 to program a user. Enter a user ID number between 1 and 2000. We will just use the number 1. And then press pound. Now enter that user's 4-digit code and press pound. The red light will flash again. This means you've successfully programmed that user code. Press star twice to exit admin mode. The red light should turn solid again. Now you can test the user code to unlock the door. Enter your 4-digit code and press pound. The green light will turn on and you can open the door. If you have a battery backup, you can still follow these instructions, but the terminals on the backup are labeled a little differently. Instead of the common terminal, there's another ground. And all of the other terminals are the same, but they are positioned in a different order. Pay close attention to the terminal labels to make sure you're connecting the correct wires. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our awesome customer service team at 888-458-5911.